Have you ever wondered if you could reduce bloating, lose weight, and improve your digestion with just a simple drink? Are you trying to reduce your blood sugar levels? Or do you sometimes feel unenergized? Worry no more. In this article you will be able to learn easy, simple, and quick recipe that will help you achieve your weight goals, regulate blood sugar levels and boost your energy. Just keep on watching to learn more about this quick and easy step. You probably own a bottle of apple cider vinegar or ACV. Most households keep a bottle or two in their pantries. But did you know the numerous amazing health benefits you will get from making a simple drink out of your ACV? Undeniably, the main ingredient for ACV is apple. We all know how much nutrients we can extract from just one apple, so we can be certain that ACV is healthy and nutritious. Many studies have shown that drinking apple cider vinegar can suppress your appetite. Thus, if you try this ACV recipe, you will less likely feel hungry and eat lesser amount of calories. So if you worry about your constant and untimely sugar or carb cravings, let this ACV drink do its incredible job. As a result, you will enjoy a remarkable weight loss. ACV has antimicrobial properties. It contains enzymes needed to kill certain bacteria in our stomach. Those bacteria are actually the common culprit of bloating or gassiness. Nobody wants that uncomfortable bloated feeling, right? So drinking this ACV recipe can also reduce bloating and improve your digestion. Drinking ACV also helps in balancing blood sugar levels. It is a good and safe drink for those with diabetes. One more thing, ACV drink boost our energy. Many find it helpful to drink this after their workout. So if you're feeling a little weary or tired, try to sip this delicious ACV drink. So what is the recipe? It's simple. You will just need a cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon lemon and 1 tablespoon of ACV. Mix and drink it 30 minutes before breakfast. We recommend to drink it on an empty stomach to maximize its benefits. Easy, right? If you don't own a bottle of ACV yet, we recommend getting unfiltered, raw ACV since it is more effective. So why not try this versatile drink now and achieve good overall health? You'll thank us later. Do you know other uses of ACV with lemon? Write a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Like our video? Don't forget to press the like button. For more tips and tricks, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Goodbye.